Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be curling my super straight hair with heatless hair rollers made out of old plastic bottles. So these are plastic packaging left from my favorite shampoo and conditioner. These are by the brand Live Clean. Totally not sponsored, I just love the brand so much. I went to my kitchen and sliced the bottles into smaller lightweight pieces, and now I have a huge box full of these heatless hair rollers made out of old plastic packaging. Keep in mind, this is plastic recycling idea, and we're gonna see if they work or not. So yeah guys, let's get started. I'm grabbing about an inch and a half size sections of my hair. Then I spray a little bit of water here and there. Just don't go too far with misting your water because you don't want your hair to be soaking wet. And then I'm rolling up this and secure the hair with several bobby pins. It might be a bit tricky for the first time you curl your hair like this, but as you go further, it just gets easier and easier with every step. And when you finish rolling the hair, you can either let it air dry for a couple of hours or speed up the process and blow dry it. But because I wanted this to be a completely heatless, no damage hairstyle, I just ended up having these in my hair for almost half of a day. Finally, let's start the unrolling. Oh my god, so good. This is amazing, guys. Look. Oh, I still have a bob pin left. Okay, let's do the second half. This is crazy, guys. Break the curls a bit. Whew. Okay guys, this is really good. Obviously you don't have to do like I did. It's just like the idea of how to recycle the old packaging, left from your shampoos and conditioners and other beauty stuff. So this is just like an idea. Probably gonna get really similar results with a real heatless hair rollers that you bought from your local beauty store, but I think it's just better to reuse, recycle, remake the plastic that you already have. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video, hope you liked the overall idea of this. Love you all so much, and we'll hang out in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!